On today's agenda, we're spotlighting the XTENDER micro-tactical system, a game-changer in flexible surveillance and recon drones. XTENDER allows users to effortlessly operate one or more drones using virtual or augmented reality, offering easy controls that require just one hand and no specialized skills. These devices can cover a distance of up to 2 kilometers on one charge, with each drone capable of carrying up to 150 g of cargo. What's more, they excel in navigating tight spaces without the need for GPS. To top it off, the XTENDER software comes packed with AI-based programs. SAAB's BARRACUDA ALCAST FSS camouflage net steps into the spotlight, featuring radio transparency that conceals soldiers and vehicles from thermal imaging cameras. This unique net allows radio and GPS signals to pass through, blocking signals like radar in the 1 to 100 GHz range and reducing sunlight heating by about 80%. Peering into the future, shields for the military and police may integrate built-in surveillance systems like the XAVER 400. Weighing just 3 kilograms, this system can see through walls up to about 8 m, including reinforced concrete walls. It wirelessly transmits video up to 100 m, proving effective even in densely populated areas by highlighting both moving and stationary objects. JFD introduces an equally handy innovation. Recognized as the world's top provider of underwater gear and attire, JFD collaborated with the US Navy to create the ShadowNav module. This module attaches to a diving mask and uses a projection display to show critical data like course depth and dive time. It even allows users to adjust brightness and switch between meters and feet. Designed to cater to both military and civilian experts, this module makes tasks easier, even in situations where visibility is limited. Now let's explore a suit designed to safeguard mine clearance specialists, bomb disposal experts, and similar professionals. Boasting groundbreaking innovation on a global scale, this suit features modular protection against shrapnel, heat, and shockwaves. With a modular system comprising 9 plates, it can be equipped with a breathing apparatus when required. The suit offers additional options like lighting, communication, and views from built-in cameras, all controllable via the integrated touchscreen. In case of medical assistance, suit components can be easily removed, and special handles allow for the evacuation of an injured specialist with the assistance of robots. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.